Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Creative Muvo Play with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device and after that press and hold power button to turn on your speaker.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
Now it should enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it on the list. But if it doesn't, just press and hold play pause button until you can hear that it entered to prank mode. I will show it you.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to
and
connect.
now click on your speaker at the device list. Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!